Who is Sudhir Rajbhar, whose Chamar Studio products are fans of Rihanna and Rahul Gandhi? Hello, friends. Have you ever thought that the word which used to be seen as an insult in the society has now become a symbol of pride and respect? The name of which people used to turn their backs, today the same name has become recognized at the international level. This is the story of Sudhir Rajbhar, who took a step to give respect to the word Chamar, which not only changed his life, but also gave a new identity to the entire community, which had been marginalized for centuries. Sudhir Rajbhar's products are fans not only in India, but all over the world. Hollywood pop star Rihanna and big face of Indian politics Rahul Gandhi are also followers of his brand Chamar Studio. The story of Sudhir Rajbhar's hard work and struggle to achieve this position is no less than an inspiration. Today, we will discuss this topic in depth. But before that, if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you will be the first to get our new video updates. So let's start today's discussion without any delay. Sudhir Rajbhar was born in a simple family in Jaunpur district of Uttar Pradesh. His childhood was spent in the narrow lanes and alleys of Mumbai. His family's financial situation was not good, but his parents explained to him the importance of education. Sudhir realized in his childhood that there is a deep chasm about caste in the society. He often had to hear taunts because of his caste. People used to insult him by calling him Chamar. But Sudhir did not let it become his weakness. He made it his strength. Sudhir obtained his graduate degree in drawing and painting from a college in Mumbai. During his studies, he realized that certain sections of society are always left behind. They lack opportunities and have to work many times harder to make their mark. Sudhir took it as a challenge and thought that he would change the situation. He established Chamar Studio in 2018 to embody this idea. Hearing the name of Chamar Studio, people initially rejected it. Many people said that how can the brand run with the name Chamar? But Sudhir said that this name is our identity and it should be taken with respect. Sudhir started manufacturing leather products at Chamar Studio. He employed local artisans in his studio who previously worked on the sidewalk or in small shops. These artisans had excellent skills, but they did not have a platform to showcase their art. Sudhir gave a platform to these artisans and took their art to a global level. Chamar Studio's products mainly include leather handbags, tote bags, belts, and shoes. Sudhir gave a modern look to traditional Indian designs and established it as a premium brand. Today, Chamar Studio's products are sold in countries like America, Germany, and Japan. The price of the brand's products ranges from 1,500 to 6,000 rupees. Sudhir believes that the real reason for his success is his artisans, whose hard work has brought Chamar Studio to where it is today. As a result of Sudhir Rajbhar's hard work and dedication, Chamar Studio's products have become popular among the world's biggest celebrities today. Pop star Rihanna bought a handbag from Chamar Studio, after which this brand became famous all over the world. Rihanna shared a picture of this handbag on her social media account, after which the order of Chamar Studio increased rapidly. After this, former Congress President of India Rahul Gandhi also visited Chamar Studio and praised Sudhir's initiative. While praising Sudhir Rajbhar on social media, Rahul Gandhi wrote that Sudhir has fought a new battle against the evils of the society. He has given a modern approach to traditional craftsmanship and has given a new identity to Indian artisans. Rahul Gandhi said that the success of Chamar Studio is proof that when talent gets the right platform, the picture of society changes. Rahul Gandhi also said that Sudhir has worked to share his experience with others, which will inspire other Dalit entrepreneurs. Chamar Studio's model is not only financially successful, but also socially influential. Sudhir has employed local artisans and worked to get them a fair price for their art. This has improved the standard of living of the artisans, whose art was previously ignored in the market. Sudhir believes that in a country like India, where the roots of the caste system are very deep, building a brand for someone from a backward caste and giving him international recognition is a big achievement in itself. Also, Sudhir Rajbhar's Chamar Studio has created a new wave in the fashion industry. Sudhir has given a strong message against the caste system through this brand. He has proved that art has no religion or caste. If there is talent, then the world accepts it. Sudhir says that Chamar Studio is not just a business model, but it is a social movement which is working to change the mindset of the society. Sudhir's model has also inspired other entrepreneurs in India. Today, such studios are opening in other parts of India as well, where local artisans are being given a platform. Sudhir has proved that if a person is sincere about his goals and is willing to work hard, then success is bound to happen. Today, Chama Studio products are seen in many big fashion shows of the world. Many international magazines have written about Chamar Studio. Sudhir believes that his biggest asset is his artisans, whose hard work has brought Chamar Studio to this height. Sudhir's next goal is to take Chamar Studio to more big markets so that more artisans can get employment. This success of Sudhir has also proved that the shackles of the caste system can be broken. If a person has talent and passion to work hard, then no force can stop him from progressing. Sudhir Rajbhar has not only created a brand, but he has also given a new direction to the society. The success of Chamar Studio is a proof that if talent gets the right platform, then the trend of society can be changed. Sudhir's story is not only a success story of an entrepreneur, but also a story of social change, which will act as an inspiration for generations to come. If you like our content and want to make our efforts even stronger, you can support us through the QR code given in the video or the UPI ID given in the description. Your every small contribution is valuable to us and will inspire us to make even better and informative videos. Your support is our strength. Also, if this video taught you something new or you felt that this information should reach others as well, then do not forget to like and share the video. If you have any questions or suggestions in mind, then do let us know in the comments. We look forward to answering your every question and listening to suggestions. And yes, if you want to stay updated with our every new video in the future, then subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon so that you get every new information first. GRT Business always strives to give you accurate and reliable information. Our news is obtained from various news agencies, public opinion, and public sources. We try our best to verify every report, but we are not responsible for any dispute or error. Our sole aim is to provide you with accurate and reliable information.